Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from AriaVision. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be talking about IKEA's Symfonisk Bookshelf Speaker and IKEA's Symfonisk Picture Frame Speaker, which is the one behind me. Alright, so what are you going to be doing in this video? We will be first talking about the build quality of both speakers, the price of both speakers, and then we will be testing the sound quality of both of those speakers. And of course, at the end I will be giving some review or actually advice which one you should buy or which one should not buy and why. Alright, so as you can see, as I got both of those speakers here, so I will be now talking about them. The IKEA bookshelf speaker, which is the Symfonisk bookshelf speaker, I got this one since 1 year, and I'm pretty happy with the sound quality and build quality of this speaker. The Symfonisk Picture Frame speaker, I got it now since 1 month, and I'm also happy with the sound quality of this one as well. Okay, so let's talk first about the build quality. So the bookshelf speaker, as you know, the name is of the speaker, so the Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. You can use it as like this on some table or wherever you want, or you can just use it on the wall. So at the back of the speaker, you got places for the bracket, so you need to buy the bracket, and the bracket costs around 10 euros extra, so you need to buy it, and then you can just hang that one on the walls like bookshelf speaker like this, and then just on top of it, just like it says the name, bookshelf, so just put some book on it or something else, whatever you want. Okay, so it is actually heavy as well, so it's not one of those cheap speakers. Okay, as you can see that the front panel, it is removable as well, so it is very easy. You can just remove the front panel and the speaker looks amazing also without the frame as well. Unfortunately, you cannot buy another frame with some other decoration, so you actually need to use that one as it comes. But this speaker also comes in two colors, so it is comes in color black and white. Okay, so what else we got? We got at the back the power connection and the internet connection. All right, so let's see. Let's talk about the picture frame speaker. The picture frame speaker, however, comes with different frames. So I mean the front panel, not the frame, but the front panel. I'm sorry for that. So that you can just remove that front panel and buy another design. At the moment, 4 new designs are available at IKEA. They cost around 15 euros. You can just order them online and it will be delivered, or you can just visit one of the IKEA store and buy them. So also this picture frame speaker comes with black color, which I got here, and it comes also with a white color, which is, you can see it here at the back. The build quality, I'm quite happy with the build quality. So as you can see, it is not so thin, but also not so thick. So it's quite nice, and it is quite heavy as well, as I must say. But it is, comes with a bracket, so you can just hang that one on the wall, which you can see in the video below when I actually installed that one. Okay, so the plus part of this speaker, as I mentioned before, that you can just buy another design panel, and then you can just actually replace that one with some other design that you would like, which you cannot actually do with a bookshelf speaker. Okay, with the build quality, I don't mean how beautiful they are made or what you can do with them, but also how user-friendly they are in terms of connectivity. And why I am actually talking about this topic. No, it comes. A year ago, when I bought a Symfonisk bookshelf speaker, I connected that speaker in no time. I think it was around 1 minute. It was connected to the Wi-Fi. However, the Symfonisk Picture Frame It took me around 45 minutes to connect this speaker to the Wi-Fi. The instruction which was actually provided in the box or by IKEA, it didn't work with that. So I downloaded 2 different apps. It didn't work with both apps. So it is simply just need to connect it from the phone, and then it will connect on the your Wi-Fi. But it didn't work. So how after 45 minutes I've managed to connect it? So it will just simply put the cable connection at the back of this speaker, and then you can just connect that speaker back to the Wi-Fi, and then you can use it on the Wi-Fi only. So on that area, I think the bookshelf speaker wins, because it is very user-friendly and it is very fast. It makes very fast connection to the internet. So my advice to IKEA is, if someone from IKEA is listening, to work on the firmware of this speaker, because this speaker is a nightmare, especially for people who are not technical. So so on that point, I will not suggest you, if you're not technical enough, don't buy this one, or otherwise just buy it, just connect it directly to the cable, because the Wi-Fi is just a nightmare. All right, so and then the sound quality of both of them is almost same. Speaking about the sound quality, so let's do the sound test quality together. I will be testing them individual, and at some point I will be testing both of them together. And I will be you can use both of them. Actually, you can pair them or actually play from YouTube or from your phone. Also, same music on both of them. So it's very easy. I will also share the screenshot of my app as well, or actually the screen recording. So I will be testing the sound of both of them with the Comica shotgun microphone. If you're interested to know more about this one, I will leave also a link below of unboxing and review about this shotgun microphone, and also below in description will be also a video about unboxing testing of bookshelf speaker and also a picture frame speaker. So let's now together test the sound quality. Okay, so now after sound test quality, you need to judge by yourself which one sounds better for the price that it costs, and which one should you buy. Okay, so in my opinion, I'm testing both of them now for more than a month, and I came to the conclusion that actually the bookshelf speaker got better sound quality, and also is it louder than Symfonisk Picture Frame speaker. Okay, so let's now get the conclusion or the review, and then you can decide by yourself which one you want to buy it. Okay, so let's divide the review or the conclusion in two categories. The first quality, as I said before, it would be the price. So the price of a bookshelf speaker is at 99 euros. And the price of picture frame speaker is 179 euros. And now, then I will go on general build quality, and as I said that on general build quality is actually bookshelf speaker I think is much better. As I mentioned, the connectivity is better, the sound quality is better, and the price is lower than the picture frame. So bookshelf speaker is still one of my favorite speakers. So that was actually my testing and review about both of these speakers. And now I will leave that to you guys to write down your comments. If you got one of those speakers or maybe you got both of them, just write down your comment in the comment section and just let me know what you think about them, which one are better and why it's better. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a good day.